Sometimes a city is more than just its stone buildings and streets. Bern is such a place, with a unique soul and character. The moment you take your first step, you'll find yourself embraced by the warmth of the Middle Ages and the excitement of contemporary life. Each cobblestone alley is like a gateway inviting you to get lost in time. The old town Altstadt with its narrow streets, buildings steeped in history, and vibrant fountains narrates the silent yet captivating tales of the past. As you wander these streets, you'll witness the very breath of the Middle Ages. The little alleys, Baroque buildings, and important sites of the medieval city tell an exciting story. Be it famous guests, locals, or tourists from all over the world, Bern's Old City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, fascinates everyone with its distinctive limestone buildings, charming alleys, and impressive monuments. The Zytglogge Clock Tower will enchant you with its animated figures and whimsical animations that come to life every hour. This tower reminds us that time is not merely a number, it's a convergence of the past and the future. The grandeur of the Federal Palace Bundeshaus carries the city's dynamism within. Its neo-Renaissance architecture rises not just with stones but also with the might of the nation's political power. The colossal fountain in its garden resembles an epic that tells the story of Switzerland's rich past. Einstein, Paul Klee and Friedrich D. Renmatt all lived in Bern for a while and have walked beneath the arcades and enjoyed the relaxed atmosphere on the Minster Terrace. The Einstein Museum opens a window into the mind and thoughts of the renowned physicist. Following in his footsteps is not just about visiting a museum, but also stepping into the enchanting realm of science and creativity. Standing atop Rosengarten, you'll witness the breathtaking panorama of the Alps rising around you. The tranquility of the Rose Garden inspires you to find your inner peace. The Bern Historical Museum awaits those who seek to trace the imprints of the past. With a collection spanning from the Middle Ages to the modern era, it offers a chance to explore the deep history of the city. Each artifact carries the resonance of history. Culinary delights are not forgotten either. Bern doesn't just offer food, it presents a journey of flavors. Trying traditional fondue and raclette is to witness the city's palate. Moreover, chocolate shops are waiting to add a sweet touch to your emotions. Bern is not just a city, it's a story. Every street, every building, and every square forms sentences that tell the tale of the past. The excitement of modern life writes the next chapters. Stepping into Bern, you'll feel the warm breath of history on your neck and sense the pulse of urban life in the palm of your hand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you at the next stop.